Gray baby. Gray baby. He's okay. He's okay. He's just a kitty. Nice. It's just a kitty. It's just a puppy. He's a wee wee. You're hurting me. Chris, if you... Well,
what?
I was going to say, I need a spot where the kitty can get through, but that means wait, the puppy can get through too then. Puppy's area. Watch out, bud. Hi! Yeah, he has to go potty. Yep, he's peeing, but not on there. Oh, at least he tried.
Almost.
Almost!
Get the cat and the puppy to love each other.
I don't know that I can.
Look at this little...
Gray. Smell the puppy. Come here. Don't get together.
Don't let the dog on the table.
He'll be okay. What? Chris, go lay down. Okay?
Hey, buddy.